Our brilliant blue ocean, the one that covers 70% of our planet and is home to 15% of animal species, is in danger because of two causes: climate change and ocean acidification. Climate NASA defines climate change as a long-term change in the average weather patterns that have come to define Earth's local, regional, and global climates. And the National Ocean Service says that ocean acidification is a reduction in the pH of the ocean over an extended period of time, caused primarily by an uptake of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Now that we have these definitions, let's look at what causes them. Climate change is caused by the excessive use of fossil fuels and other unsustainable resources. Now, ocean acidification goes hand in hand with climate change, as it's also caused by the large amounts of carbon emissions. The ocean absorbs 25% of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere, and with more carbon dissolving into the ocean's pH levels decrease, which makes the waters more acidic. Climate change can have many devastating effects. Specifically, if the ocean starts warming up, the natural control of temperature facilitated by the ocean will be messed up, and the temperature around the world will rise due to the Great Ocean Conveyor Belt. Furthermore, ocean acidification harms the animals living in the ocean, as carbonate ions are an important building block of seashells and coral skeletons. Decrease in carbonate ions, which would make maintaining shells and skeletons difficult for organisms like oysters, clams, sea urchins, and coral. In addition, changes in the ocean chemistry can affect the behaviors of animals, as some fish can't detect predators in acidic waters. With these organisms at risk, the balanced food chains in the oceans are also at risk. There are many ways that you can help. If we all put an effort to reduce our own carbon footprints by making more sustainable choices, we can help solve these issues. We can remember our 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. In order to reduce the waste we produce, we must first reduce how much stuff we use, and then try to reuse the items we already have, and lastly, we can recycle things like paper, plastic, glasses, cans, and other items as well. We can also purchase more energy-efficient products by avoiding products that contain materials that cannot be recycled, and we can also reduce our use of electricity by turning off our electric devices when we're not using them, and by purchasing items like LED lights that will decrease the amount of energy we use. Lastly, you can help out by educating those around you. In order to prevent the effects of climate change, we must reduce the amount of greenhouse gases that are present in an atmosphere, which can be done by decreasing the use of fossil fuels by managing industrial emissions as well. Despite these types of concerns, we are capable of making a difference against climate change and ocean acidification by working together with individuals in coastal communities, scientists, and other advocates as well. If you want to learn more, here are some websites that can help. And thanks for watching.